Welcome to the Scientific Publications channel. Here we explain academic things in a simple way with clear examples. Today we will talk about how to save weeks or even months when writing scientific article. The answer is simple: use artificial intelligence. If you still do everything manually, get ready. This video will change how you see article writing. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to write better and faster. And let's begin. Writing an article is not only writing. You also need to search for scientific papers, to build a structure, to write the abstract and introduction, to edit the text, and to check for plagiarism. Each part can take hours, days, or even weeks. But now we have AI, and it really helps to save you time. Steps you can do faster with AI. Before you open 20 tabs, read abstracts saved a lot of PDFs. But now, tools like Elicit, Consensus, and ResearchRabbit do this for you. As a result, you can finish the literature review in hours, not in days. Creating a structure. Most scientific articles follow the IMRAD format, meaning introduction, methods, results, and discussion. Not sure what to include? Just ask ChatGPT. For example, give me a structure for an article about virtual reality in medical education. AI will suggest: introduction, why VR is important in education. Goal, to test how VR works in trainings. Methods, describe the group using VR. And results, what you expect to learn. This is a great starting point. Number 3. Writing the first draft. Writing from zero is hard, but editing a first draft is much easier. Ask AI to write an introduction for a paper on AI in legal education. You can adapt it to your topic, add your own examples, and make it sound more academic. This helps a lot with writing abstracts, introduction, and methods. Number 4. Editing your text. AI tools can also make your writing clearer and more professional. Use Grammarly or Language Tool too. Fix long or unclear sentences, suggest better words, find grammar mistakes. Try this prompt. Check this paragraph and make it easier to read. AI might say, this sentence is too long. Try break it into. What is important? AI is not the author. AI doesn't understand your research. It doesn't check facts. It cannot be responsible for your work. You must control everything. AI is just your helper. Ethics of using AI in science. AI is powerful, but you must use it in the right way. Here are 4 simple rules. AI is a co-author. Even if it writes something, it's not a human and cannot take responsibility. Be honest. If you used AI to help with a draft or editing, mention this in the methods or acknowledgements. Don't fake results. AI can write beautiful sentences, but it cannot do your research. And always check sources. Sometimes AI gives fake references. Always check yourself. Ethics are not limits. They protect your reputation. Final thoughts. AI helps you save time and focus on what matters most. But the final responsibility is all yours. So, combine your knowledge with AI power and stay ahead of the game. Write in the comment section what topic you want to learn more, and we will make a video about it. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next episodes.